Hello and welcome to Kathy's Corner. My name is Kathy Holt. I'm a partner and trainer with Stewardship Resources, LLC. Wow, can you believe it's the end of October? If you haven't already, now is a good time to think about that pesky year-end to-do list. It's way too easy to put off those year-end items until you get to the end of December, realize not much has been done, and now you're overwhelmed with all the year-end items that have been added to your workload. So today we're going to talk about a list of year-end items and next year items that can actually be worked on before December. Is there any accounting or membership file cleanup needed? So my question for you is, are your current financial reports telling the true financial story of your church? If not, some cleanup may be needed. Membership file cleanup can be needed in a variety of areas. And when schedules are full, it is so easy to put these items off until you have more time. Kind of like cleaning out the closets at home, right? Well, the last 3 months of the year is just a really good time to concentrate on file cleanup if it hasn't already been done. Our chart of account changes needed for the new year. Now is a good time to plan those changes, and you might even be able to make those changes right now so as to be ready for the new year. Has the budget been planned for the new year? If planning has not started for the new year's budget, October is a really good month to get it going. If the budget is already planned, and depending on your accounting program, you may be able to enter the budget for next year now, and then changes can be made later if needed before January. Have you reviewed all payments or benefits for employees, including pastors, to make sure that all were handled appropriately throughout the year? So if per IRS standards the benefit is taxable income, then it should be run through payroll. If it is a tax-free fringe benefit, then it does not need to be run through payroll. And be thinking about those payments that are coming up, such as Christmas bonus checks, gift checks at year end. They are taxable income. They should be run through payroll, and tax withholding rules do apply. Have payroll packages been planned for next year? Be aware of any changes that may need to be made in your payroll software. And let me give you a little tip. Salary calculations should be made on paycheck dates, not payroll periods. Has the pastor's payroll package been updated for next year? A separate document clearly listing all items in each pastor's pay package each year is the best practice. Updated official signed documentation for housing allowance may need to be prepared before housing allowance payments are made in January. Employee documents. Do you need any updated W-4 forms from your employees? Now that's only needed if there's a change in the information now showing on the current W-4. Or if the employee had written the word exempt on their federal or state W-4, in that case, you need a new W-4 from them every year. Annual enrollment forms for employee benefits. If you are deducting anything from an employee's paycheck for benefits, an enrollment form is needed. And when discrimination rules apply to any of those benefits, make sure you have an opt-out enrollment form for those who do not wish to participate. Make sure that you forward all updated payroll information to your payroll provider if payroll is not done in-house. Your payroll provider needs to receive those updates in plenty of time before the first payroll of the new year. They have to update their payroll software as well. Do you have signed W-9 forms for 1099 vendors? Technically, signed W-9 forms should be in place before checks are given to any 1099 vendors. But if you are missing any W-9 forms, now is a good time to request them. Do you need to order any year-end forms such as 1099 or 1096 NEC forms, 1099 or 1096 miscellaneous forms, W-2 or W-3 forms? Now's a good time to make sure you get that done. Do yourself a favor and get a head start on those year-end items. Several helpful resources are in the information section of this video. And I want to thank you for letting me share this information with you today. And as always, if you have any questions or need help, please feel free to reach out and contact me at the phone number or the email shown below. Please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, God bless you and have a fantastic day.